Hi, John with Real Hard Reviews at CES 2020. We're on day 2 right now, and today we're at the Corsair booth with Mitch, and he's going to tell us about everything new in cooling.
Cool. So the first thing that we have is our A500. This is our first air cooler that Corsair's made in 8 years, right? So pretty cool thing. This time, instead of coming in at the low end of the market, we're deciding to come in at the high end of the market with a competitor to the Noctua DH15 or NH-D15, as well as the Dark Rock Pro 4. So the cool thing about this one, besides the awesome performance that it's going to give you because it's so massive and it has 2 of our ML120 fans on it, is installation. The installation on this is going to be way easier than a lot of the coolers out in the market right now. And that's thanks to our nice slide-in lock fan mount. So you can just slide the fan off really quickly. If you need to clean it, you want to swap it, anything like that. Or if you're going ahead and installing it, right? So to install it, slide the fans off, you pop this off. Once you get the retention all settled on the socket of your choice, you just slide this over and use the included screwdriver to secure it with these 2 screws.
Wow. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, it's quite large.
What's the TDP?
So the max TDP that we think you should use this for is around 250. So we're not supporting STR4, not out of the box, not with this. If we were to do an STR4 product, we would rather do it bespoke, made for that processor, right? That way you have the best user experience. Right now, I think the best user experience for a Corsair product is going to be using one of our liquid coolers, right?
What's the release
For
date
STR4,
and
of course.
estimated price on this?
$99 here in the US. Release date is yesterday, so
Very nice.
It's out. It's available for pre-order at Corsair.com and should be available at the retailer of your choice probably in like 2 to 3 weeks.
Oh, that's awesome.
Right?
Perfect. Well, thank you so much, Mitch.
No problem.